Okay, so we are really excited by our most recent installation, and that was our first equine area. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. We've been testing products for the last year, trying to find that blend that gives that feel underfoot, that's the stability that the horse wants, but that coefficient of friction that they feel safe, that they're not going to slip and slide, and I think we've done it. We did our first project here. We try to always build something locally. We happened to find a young lady in the Seminole, Florida area where I live, who built this magnificent barn. I watched this barn being built last summer, and it was spectacular. And I approached her and said, look, this is what we've got. Would you be interested? And she had already put some really state-of-the-art flooring systems into her barn, so she spared no expense. But she had the surround of her barn was a concrete slab. And this is where she would bathe the horse, or the farrier would come out and do the horseshoe work, or the horse had to walk into the stable, was all brushed concrete. And when I showed her our panel, the response was, gosh, this would be perfect for me being able to wash the horses down, especially knowing that the water would flow through. But the big question was, Dave, is it going to be slippery? Well, that's where the time was spent, in developing this blend that creates this high coefficient of traction. If you look at UltraBase here, and you look at UltraBase floor here, and then court, which gives a great traction for playing, go a step above that, and you've got the equine, because those horses are sitting on metal, and oftentimes, or their hooves, or metal shoes, and they can't slide. So we built this area, we went out there, and this was really, I mean, I'm talking about 15, 20 minutes. We went out, we built an area about 15 by 20 of our new equestrian panel, locked it together, put a ADA ramp system from our floor system up to it so the horse could walk up very easily, and that became the new location for them to bathe and do the work. So a day or two after we installed it, we happened to luck out, the farrier was coming in. He got to see the area, work on it, and his response was tremendous. And this is the type of response we've been getting across the country, because we've been sending out samples to major equestrian centers around the country, institutes that specialize in horse medicine, to farrier groups, all looking for that positive and negative feedback as to can we and have we developed a product that can successfully enter into the equine market and provide, I think, the innovation that we've brought into other aspects, whether it's synthetic turf installation or court installation. We're now bringing this into the equine and the livestock market. So we're going to shoot a video on all of this next week. You're going to see the whole installation from start to finish. You'll watch the equine, the farrier working on it. You're going to have interviews with the horse owner talking about what they were looking for in a product, and I think you're going to be very impressed by what we created here. So stay tuned. It's new to me, but it's a market that I believe that we have great opportunity to be in, whether it's going to be for stalls or turnouts or veterinarian areas or show areas or temporary flooring. If you're going to be showing your horse in a major facility like Wellington or Tryon, where you want to bring in your own floor, or even into trailers where you can pick a floor system or flooring system into a trailer and not have to pull those rubber mats out at the end of a show or the end of the day and hose them off, because we can wash through and under, because our panels all drain, as you know, vertically and horizontally. So brand new market for us, very excited by it. Took a lot of hard work, but we're ready to share it with you, so please give us a call. We'll send you information. So if you've got horses or animals and looking for the safest way to keep them dry and healthy, I think we've got a great solution for you.